The colorful cake!
Yeah. Where you can get your sodas for $80. Hell yeah.
Yeah, you have to put $80 in it because this thing is just a freaking rip-off.
It's a rip-off, man.
So let's pick it up and let's put in $1, see if it works.
Sorry, we went to puberty at 2 years old.
We went to puberty at 2 years old. Let's press it, see if it works. It doesn't work. Let's put in another dollar, a $10 bill.
Now there's $30 in there.
Let's put some more.
I'm gonna put $2 in there at the same time.
Okay, there's our $80.
$80.
Let's pull the lever now.
Yeah.
I guess it gave us free money.
You want to see me?
Here's all of the money that we got. It's pretty
That's
cool.
the colorful cake vending machine.
Why'd you want
Yes, yes, you got it,
Freaking God.